Namaskar, good evening. I'm Amrita Sabat live from the world's first Odisha GI store, Utkal Amrita. And today I came live to show extremely beautiful saris. So this is our Lakshmi Pada Bomkai silk. This is a Mandira Bomkai silk. And this is our Mayura Prajapati Bomkai silk. And here is our Nila Chakra Bomkai silk sari, and another Nila Chakra Bomkai silk sari, and a Dola Bedi Mulberry silk sari. So I want to show you all these exclusives one by one. So let us start with this, the most beautiful one. So let me just open it. So exclusive Bomkais just arrived today. We couldn't stay calm. So here you see, this is a beautiful one with all temple booties made all over the body. And then you can see here this beautiful anchal. Actually it is so beautiful. This is our Mandira. So here you see such elegant motifs, the temple motifs here, and Shri Mandira. So this is a beautiful one in mulberry silk, and the combination is brilliant, gorgeous combination, Rani pink and this lovely fluorescent green. And so lovely it is with lotuses, with these nartakis, and Sri Mandira here. It is already in extra weft. It is already written here in Odia. So you can see this is one of our most exclusives which arrived today only. And so we came to show you this. And see, here these are little lines here. So these little lines have actually three elephants here. So you can see these are three elephants, and all across these elephants are done. So that is how this border has been done. So it is really beautiful one, absolutely stunning one with all these beautiful Sri Mandira motifs, Rani and a fluorescent green. So this is our first. Then I'm going to show you a very special, this one. So this is our Prajapati Mayura sari. So you can see here a very exclusive and gorgeous one, Bomkai silk, Prajapati and Mayura. So here you can see beautiful fluorescent green, and it is actually a 3-color pallu. So you can see the pallu starts off with this blue, and then the fluorescent green, and then this Rani. So you can see this type of pallu, actually, like, we are seeing it for the first time, coming to our collection for the first time in these Prajapati motif. So basically it looks like a butterfly, but it actually is composed of, you can say, 2 peacocks. These are like 2 little peacocks. So Prajapati peacock. So this is a beautiful combination and beautiful silk sari, mulberry silk, Bomkai, and absolutely stunning one. You can see this is really, the silk is lustrous and beautiful, and very nice for the wedding season, for all the upcoming festivities. So this is a very gorgeous one. So you can see a very nice sari this is. So here, this is the second one. And whichever you want, you please let us know, because these are not yet on the website. We will be putting it. But you can take a screenshot and you can tell us which do you like most. And if you would like to buy anything, because these are absolutely gorgeous. So here you can see this is the very special Lakshmi Pada sari. So you can see the body has all these motifs. So it has the Kalasha, it has the Swastika, it also has elephant, and it has Lakshmi Pada. I told our viewer that if he came during November, like before November 15, we could have shown this in our Margasira Gurubar Fashion Week. the theme of Times Fashion Week in which we participated. So here you can see this lovely Lakshmi Pada sari. So this is a very special pallu, and so nice motifs are made all over, including Sri Jantra. So you can see this is a line of Sri Jantra actually. Sri Jantra with Pada, Lakshmi feet made inside. And then you can see here it's also in Bomkai, it is already here, it is made, woven, Lakshmi Pada. So here you can see elephants, multicolored elephants. Then you can see these Lakshmi Pada with the swastika in between. And then you see the Shankha. So these are all the motifs which are related to Ma Mahalakshmi. And we are so delighted that this has arrived today. This is like Mahalakshmi has really blessed and come right here to our store. So you can see this beautiful Lakshmi Pada sari. So this entire pallu is in this striking red, while the body is actually this fluorescent green type of color. So you can see this very stunning sari. It's a stunning one actually. So here this is the body and this is the anchal. So this huge and beautiful pallu, absolutely gorgeous one. So you please let us know if you want this very exclusive. So we just have one piece, and today only it's come. So because it came today, we thought that no, we must not stay calm and we must show it to you, because these are some of the best ones which have just come. So here you can see this is a very special one. It is called Nila Chakra. So Nila Chakra, as you know, it is like this. So this is at the top of the Puri Shri Mandira. You can actually see the Nila Chakra. So, and the flag is flying above this. It is fixed here. And so this is the Nila Chakra sari. This is in blue color. The anchal is blue and the body is actually yellow. So you can see the body is yellow and the anchal is blue. So here, this is a lovely weave, and you can actually wear it for all the functions, weddings, and this has no black in it. All the pujas, this is absolutely brilliant. And for all the upcoming festivities also, this is a really nice sari and a very exclusive one, because this is the Nila Chakra sari. And again here also in Odia, already the Bomkai extra weft pattern has been used to weave the name Nila Chakra in Odia. So you can see this is a very lovely Bomkai silk sari. And just one piece of each. So let us know, take a screenshot and DM us soon, because these are not going to stay. And I'm going to show you another Nila Chakra in another combination. So this is a sort of golden yellow with a red border and red anchal. So let us take a look at the anchal. The brilliant anchal is here. So see. This is the Nila Chakra red anchal, and the body is actually golden yellow. So it's a beautiful color combination, and then you get this lovely sort of look when you actually wear this. So the yellow red, and it can be also gifted for the wedding, worn for the rituals of the wedding. So this is really gorgeous and pure Bomkai silk sari, mulberry silk, 3-ply by 4-ply silk, extremely luxurious and really enchanting with all the motifs done. So you can see here, this is Nila Chakra here, and then there are all these symbols. So this is Chakra in different colors, mind you, and each and every has been painstakingly done by hand. So you can actually see that every color thread has changed. So this cannot be actually done even using any machine. So because every thread has to be changed at every little point. So this actually needs a lot of work and lot of time in order to complete this sort of a beautiful Nila Chakra sari. So here you can see. And next I'm going to show you a very special Dola Bedi. So Dola Bedi, actually we have a number of them in our Tassar. So here is a mulberry silk Dola Bedi, which a lot of you were asking about. So mulberry silk Dola Bedis, and this is a yellow with a pink, yellow with a blue. So here. And here you can see different colors are inside, like here is pink, red, green, so a multicolor pallu. But the Dola Bedi, the sort of colors which have been used, so this really gives it a different charm. So you can see here multicolor, pallu is multicolor with all different motifs done. And the body is this beautiful yellow color, yellow, a brighter yellow with a blue border and pallu. So here you can see these are all different saris which I showed you. They have just arrived and there are more which have arrived. I will just give you a glimpse of those, but we will need another live or another reel to show them because there are a lot of those. So I'll just show you. I'll just take you towards there. So here we are, and here. So here we have some of these. Yeah. So here this is a tissue, half tissue. So we do have some half tissues which have arrived. This is a bomkai. This is a grey with a blue. So you can see. If in case you want to see, then just send me a screenshot. Otherwise this live will go on for very long. This is a tissue again, half tissue. And here is all the bomkais. So lovely colors of bomkais with different patterns are here. So I will just showing you over here. So these are all different which have arrived. And this is one with the elephants. This is really pretty. This is a Rama green. So lovely bomkais have all arrived. Just let us know by DM in case you need any of these, and I will help you to book your order because the photography will take a while for these. And this is a doll bomkai with red border. So extremely beautiful for all the functions. This is a jhumka actually. It's a jhumka. So here you can see jhumka motifs all over. And this is the tribals and this light color combination, red and a light color. This is boita. So boita, or the famed Sadhabapua who used to do trade, they used to go by the boita. And here is another yellow red with the doll motifs. So these are all the different saris, and we hope that you are going to tell us soon that which ones you are going to order. So thank you so much, and let's stay connected. Thank you. Bye.